Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can add an arrow line in Canva. And on top of that, you could also modify the start and also the end of the arrow design. To do that, you have to visit the elements menu, and then here you can search arrow. And I do recommend to go to the shape section, this one, not graphics, not photos, but shapes, because this type of element gives us the most customization, and it is also much more flexible for an arrow design. So click see all, and you'll see some arrow design that you could insert to your document right here. So the one that you want to select is the lines type, and I think I'm going to start with a simple arrow design, which is this one. It's too small, it's too tiny, and if you want to increase the thickness of the arrow, you can go to this line style and adjust the slider to make it thicker. And also you have the option to change the style to, dotted or dashed lines if you want to. I think I'm going to stick with a regular solid line. And also you have the option to add endpoints. So endpoints is going to change the end of the arrow. This is the one with endpoints, but if you remove that, this is what happened. It's not quite great given that this arrow has the style of rounded edges, so I guess it's better to have that. Okay, another customization that you can apply is this line start. This is the start of the line. You can change it to this one or this, whichever style that you prefer. And also you have the option to change the line end, which is the part that is pointing the arrow. So there's this option, and there is this option, there is this option. There are so many options you could try. So I guess I'm going to stick with this one. And this is the line type. It's elbow. There's also curve. So normally you can only just point the arrow this way, or move it around, or rotate the arrow. But if you want to make the arrow to look curvy, then you want to apply this option. You could add elbowed, which is going to look like this. And it's going to adjust automatically depending on the direction of the arrow, but you can also change this position or change the elbow of the arrow. So that's for the elbow arrow. And the other one is the curve, which I think look even prettier because you can adjust the curveness of the arrow. So you can make it subtle, you can make it very strong like this. So yeah, that is just another way to make your arrow in Canva more attractive. And that's basically it. That's how you can change or add an arrow in Canva.